Utah has enacted a new consumer protection law.
Yeah, here to break things down and what that means for you as a consumer protection advocate here is KSL investigator Matt Gephardt. Hey, Matt.
Hi, guys. Yeah, the new law strengthens your hand when dealing with deceptive or unfair business practices.
They basically said, we don't have anything in our system to enable you to return it.
Marlo Springer tried to return some speakers that came with a promised 100-day trial, but the company did not let him.
I was going to get some work done right here.
Eliza Allen paid a deposit for a tattoo before being ghosted by the artist.
Oh, good job.
Whitney Clyde paid a company for outdoor lighting that was not provided. These are 3 examples of countless stories where I have reported on a business doing something that could be considered a violation of Utah law, classified as a deceptive business practice. The hard part for consumers is that at the end of the day, they had to prove the company meant to break the rules, knowingly or intentionally.
There was this concept of, did you know that you were going to do this? Did you understand that what you were going to do was inherently deceptive?
Katie Haas is the director of Utah's Division of Consumer Protection. Her team worked with the Utah legislature to make it easier to hold bad business practices in Utah to account. Now, any deceptive act in a consumer transaction is illegal, regardless of intent. Proving intent to deceive was a high bar that let some bad actors off the hook, Haas says.
It doesn't really matter if you knew or should have known that what you were doing isn't deceptive.
The changes mean that if you encounter false advertising, hidden fees, unfulfilled guarantees, or any shady business behavior in Utah, it is easier to get help and get justice.
Companies have to take almost like a duty of care to be really careful in what they're doing so that they are not deceiving consumers.
The new law also provides clearer remedies for consumers to get their money back and also adds extra protections for vulnerable groups like senior citizens. Of course, if you need help with a business or entity that's giving you trouble, you can always reach out to me. You know the number, 385-707-6153, or you can email me, matt@ksl.com.
I do know the number. I call it all the time. Matt, thank you.
Stop.